Hello, we're learning to play an exercise called At the Market. So this is the first of 3 videos to help you with this little exercise stroke piece. We're counting in 4s. Just having a quick look at the music here with you. So hope you've got your music there. So we're counting in 4s. F sharp's the key signature. It's actually in E minor. It ends on an E at the end, which is a bit of a giveaway to when you're trying to work out keys. All cows eat, that's an E. And we've got the F sharp in there, and E minor has F sharp in it. So that's the key we've got. Right, so looking at the right hand part, well, that note is E, isn't it? So it's going to go E, 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 and then you're going to cross your second finger down onto D sharp. Then you're going to put your fourth finger up on A, and you're going to go A, down a note to G. So I think we should just try that first of all. So what I should have said in this video is that I just want to learn all of the right hand part to this today, okay, to this section, and then we can drop in the left hand over the next 2 videos, okay. So this very first bit, here's the E, so you're going to go E, it's your thumb, so you play 3 of them, 2 spiky ones, and the third one is smooth, and crossing your second finger onto there like that. Okay, I'll show you again. And that's supposed to be forte, which is fairly loud, which is what I did. Let's try it again. Here we go. And now the next thing is your fourth finger on A. And you're going to play 3 A's and come down 1 note. So no fancy crossing or anything. You just go A, and then like that. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And smoothly, spikily, smoothly. So let's go back to the music a sec and look what we'll do for the rest. So that's fairly straightforward. There it is. Dum, dum, da, dum. Fourth on A, dum, da, da. Now, same note here, so we're going to be quiet for the rest of the piece. And these are quavers now. So remember, crotchets go usually on the beat. 1, 2, you can sort of feel the beat plodding along, and the crotchet lasts the same length as the beat. Quavers will usually fit 2 to a beat. So it goes G, F sharp, G, E, E again, D sharp, E. So that would be like this. So let's look at that a little bit. So here's the G. Now let's just try it, let's break it down a bit. I want to try this. These are all quavers. And they're all smooth. The end of that, there's an extra E. So we just try that together. 1 more. Cross to the D sharp like you did at the beginning of the piece, and then back to the E. You can either put your thumb back on it or put your third on it. I'm going to put my thumb back on it. So if I put that all together, we've got this. So just watch one. 4 on A. Repeat the G quietly. And here's another one. You might want to pause the video and just go back on that, or see if you can just play along with me if I count it in after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spikily, smoothly, spikily, smoothly, quiet and smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the whole of the right hand.